Last but not least, students do. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to treat this just like a single variable equation, and my equal signs are going to be right here, right down there. Okay. Whatever I do to one side, I do the other. Before I do anything, simplify both sides of the equation. And if you don't remember from the last 5 videos, simplifying is done with order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay. Now I'm going to start on the left side because I read left to right. That's the way I go. Negative 6 times k is going to be negative 6k. Negative 6 times positive 1 is going to be negative 6. And then bring this positive 3 down. There you go. Not quite simplified just yet. I got a couple of like terms on this side. This is a non-variable. This is a non-variable. I'll put those together, and I'm going to have negative, wrong one, negative 3. Negative 3. This 6k, negative 6k comes back down. Okay. All simplified on this side. Nothing I can combine, no adding, subtracting. On this side, 7 minus k, got nothing. Can't multiply, can't divide. I'll just bring it right down just so it's level. Okay. Move all my variables to one side. Move all my variables to one side. Now, I'm going to choose this k because I want to show you what you should do when you flip the sign. If I add 1k, there's an invisible 1 there, to both sides, those cancel. And the only thing left over here is going to be a 7. Negative 6 and 1 make negative 5k minus 3. Now, numbers go on the other side. I don't want them on the same side as my variables. Numbers there, numbers there. I'm going to move all the numbers to the right side of the equation. So again, I do the opposite operation. Add 3 there, add 3 there. These cancel, and I have negative 5k and 10. Now, to get rid of this 5, like you guys all know, is divide. That's negative 5 times k. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide. Now, I'm dividing by a negative number. Now, when you divide or multiply by a negative number in an inequality equation, such as this, where this is not an equal sign up here, double check, this is not an equal sign, okay? This is not an equal sign. So if it's not an equal sign, and you divide or multiply by a negative number, that's dividing by a negative number, that's dividing by a negative number, you must flip the signs. Okay? So we're just going to solve this regularly and just flip the signs. These cancel each other out. I have k, and 10 divided by negative 5 is going to be negative 2. Now, this is what's going to change. That greater than symbol is going to change into a less than symbol. It's going to change into a less than symbol. Okay, now my solution is right here. Sorry, it's not very pretty, but that's my solution. Now I'm going to graph that because it changed. K is less than 2. Here, let's rewrite this. K is less than 2. Now here's my answer right here. Here's my answer, 2. I'm going to draw a circle at the point 2. I'm sorry, it should be negative 2. Draw a circle here at negative 2. Now, which side is the variable on? Here's my variable right here. Now, this sign is broken out into 2 parts, negative and positive. The big side, this is the big side, is positive. This is the small side, that's negative. Well, here's the variable, small side. Here's the small side, the big side. variable on this side. Now I already made a mistake on this. Does anyone see where my mistake is? Good. This here should be not a closed circle, but should be an open circle. So let's fix that. This should be an open circle. Now, why is it an open circle? Because there's no or equal to sign down here. It remains just a less than or greater than sign. So open circle, shade low, shade to the left.